Hello everyone, today we make polenta cream, the original Italian polenta, with the traditional way, very easy recipe and so tasty. Little garnish and let's go. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmad Yunis. I travel all over the world to bring you the recipe from mother home. All you need you will find in my channel: bread, ice cream, chocolate, everything you imagine. Very easy recipe: 1 cup polenta, 4 cup water. So any measurement you have, you make 4 times water. First we added 4 cup water and then pinch of salt and leave it to boil. Almost 1 gram salt. As you see, when it starts boiling, it's very hot. I added the polenta. The easy tricks to not making lumps. Just added polenta little by little. Keep stir with the whisk until absorb all the polenta. As you know, polenta is cornmeal, coarse one. This is the best way to add little by little of cornmeal and keep stirring. You will never have any lumps. You keep stirring. When it's boiling, as you see, we reduce temperature to medium. The whole process, it takes approximately 30-35 minutes. But you cannot keep stirring 35 minutes next to the oven or the stove. So what you do, when becomes at this texture, we use a spatula or wooden spoon. Normally or traditionally they use wooden spoon. I mix, I reduce the temperature, then I cover. Don't rush and make high temperature, because if you do it, it will cook very fast, but the polenta is still like sandy. So what you do, you cover every 5-6 minutes, you open the cover and mix all the mixture. This almost now 30 minutes. I cover again. Now you can see the texture. It's already cooked. It takes exactly 32 minutes. Now is ready for final touch. I will add 2 spoons of butter, almost 50 gram. Butter give amazing taste. Still in the stove with low temperature. And then the amazing touch: 1/2 cup of Parmigiano cheese. You can smell the aroma and flavor now. As you see, becomes more creamy. And pinch of salt if is needed. And your polenta is perfectly done. Now I serve it in the salad bowl. Then you can add it whatever garnish you need, or you can just eat it. I will add it little Parmigiano one piece of parsley just to give a touch, and ready to eat. I hope if you like this video, please make like, leave a comment, and most of all make share. Thank you so much. Waiting me in next video.